Hi, I'm Giorgia from Rome, and today I would like to teach you a few words and short sentences in Italian so that you will be ready for your next JayWay trip. Let's start from the beginning. The very first words that everybody learns and that you will need a lot are greetings. We have formal and informal greetings. The informal one, everyone knows this, is ciao, ciao, C-I-A-O. This is ciao, not chiao, not cha, ciao. And you have to pronounce the vowels in every single word. Every single vowel in Italian has its own sound. So it's ciao. And this is hello, goodbye, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everything. It's very informal. You can say it to everyone, everywhere. Everyone knows this word. Everyone will understand. So it's again, ciao. And then, of course, we have formal greetings, Buon Giorno and Buona Sera. Buon Giorno is good morning, and we use it every day in the morning, of course, from, whatever time you wake up till around noon. And it's Buon Giorno, Buon Giorno. It means good day, good morning. Again, you pronounce every vowel, so it's Buon Giorno. And then we have Buona Sera, same, you pronounce all the vowels, so it's Buona Sera, Buona Sera, Buona Sera. And we use these from 1 p.m. on, even in the afternoon, even if it's 2, 3, 4 p.m., we always say Buona Sera. And then when we part, we say Arrivederci, Arrivederci. This is a weird one, and it literally means till the next time we'll see each other. Arrivederci. You have to roll the R. That's a weird sound in Italian. Arrivederci. And then to say thank you, we say grazie. Not grazie. I know that everyone thinks they know how to pronounce this word, but they don't. Grazie. It's e. Grazie. And it's not grazie. It's not grazie. It's grazie. Grazie. Thank you. And if you want to answer to that, you say, you're welcome, prego. Now, this is a very particular word because it's very versatile and you can use for a lot of things. It's prego, P-R-E-G-O, prego. You can use it to say you're welcome. You can use it to show the way to someone, prego. You can use it to hold the door to someone if you're going inside the building, prego, you go first. And it's the word that all the waiters and barman and so on use to tell you that it's your turn. Prego, what do you want? Well, what flavors of gelato did you pick? Prego, tell me, it's your turn now. So you say prego, and that's it. No one will understand you're a tourist and you're not a local. And then the magic word when you want to ask for something is please. In Italian, this is made of 2 words. Per favore. Per favore. It's like, can you do me a favor? Please. Per favore. Per favore, please. Per favore. And now, very simple one, yes and no. Si, no. The O, it's kind of open, it has open sound, so it's no. And it's very strict, very firmly. No. Si, no. No. Not even in a lifetime. No. Si, let's have coffee together. Si. You want to have coffee with me? No. No. And then just a few more words that you will definitely need on your trip to Italy. And one is for wine and the other one is for breakfast. The wine one is cheers, of course. And we say salute, 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 salute. And this literally means health and it's like a cheer to your health. I hope you'll be fine. Now, the history of the cheerings in Italy goes way back to the Pope's age in Rome, and this will probably require a whole new video, a whole different one. So this is another story, and I will be happy to tell you in front of a cup of coffee when you come to Rome next time. Now, salute is also the word that we use to say bless you when someone sneezes. Hachu, salute. These actually have the opposite meaning, and it means there's your health that goes away. Now you're getting sick, so it's like salute. I mean, wow, what a sneeze. And now, the word that I know everyone is waiting for, but I know that everyone thinks how to say, and it's coffee. Now we have a lot of kind of coffees. We have macchiato, we have cappuccino, we have coffee with milk, coffee with, I don't know, pistachio, cream, foam, whatever. But the one coffee that everyone orders with different adjustments, but that everyone wants when we go to a coffee bar, which is called the bar in Italian, which is not the place where you have alcohol, but always the place where you have coffee. So if someone says, let's go to the bar, it's always a coffee bar. When we go to a bar, then, to order coffee, we never ask for an espresso, even though it's the kind of coffee we drink and we usually prefer. We go to the counter and we ask for un caffè. Caffè. Now, this is not like grazie, this has an accent at the end of the word on the last E, so it's caffè. Caffè. Can I have a coffee, please? Will be un caffè, per favore. You enter in a bar, you reach the counter, and the waiter will probably ask you, Prego, what do you want? What do you want to order? What kind of coffee do you prefer? And you will say, un caffè, per favore. Un means one, of course. Un caffè, caffè, per favore. Now, the very last word of our video is mi scusi. Mi scusi. This is also made of two words, mi scusi. And it's excuse me. But it's also used as I'm sorry. So you can use it other than, I don't know, when you walk through the crowds or you're waiting in the line at the Vatican museums and you're like, mi scusi, I have to go through, mi scusi. You can also use to draw the attention of waiters or barmen. Mi scusi, can I have a coffee, please? Now, this would be perfect. Mi scusi, un caffè, per favore. And this is a whole sentence. You go to the coffee bar, as we said before, you go to the bar, they turn at you and you say, Mi scusi, un caffè per favore. And no one will know you're not Italian, you're not a local, so that will be perfect. Now that you've learned all these words, expressions, and sentences, you really can blend in with the locals, can't you? I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to welcome you to Rome soon on your next JayWay trip. Ciao!